Now we are walking to the Lumpini MRT station. From there, we'll be going on the MRT. Then we'll be going on the SkyTrain. Then on the Chao Phraya ferry. The ferry along the Chao Phraya River. Di dia mah angkotna beureum. Tiga angkot ke ditu. Angkot T02 Cilitan Cilangkap. We're in between the Silom MRT station and the Saladang BTS station. This is the pedestrian zone between the two stations. Both the MRT station and the BTS station are integrated. However, if you want to buy a ticket, you should buy it in two separate places. And this is the entrance to the Saladang station. And I don't know what on earth this is. And now we're going to the Chao Phraya River Pier, because we're going to the Royal Palace. We're going there by ferry. And these are the mini buses. Di dia oge angkotna beureum. Tiga angkot T02 di Jakarta. Mun di Bandung mah angkot beureum mah Taya T. Di Bandung mah angkotna nu beureum mah 05 Cicaheum Cibaduyut. Di dia mah angkotna butut. We're on the boat on the Chao Phraya River. We're on the ferry across the Chao Phraya River. This boat would take us to the Grand Palace, which is the Royal Palace, and the Wat Po, which is the Sleeping Buddha. And this in front of us is one of the main attractions of Bangkok. It looks like a temple or a palace, but I don't know what it is because I've never been here before. And this is the entrance gate to the royal palace. And this sign, I don't know what on earth it says. Is the royal palace, also called the Grand Palace. This is the Bangkok Grand Palace, or the Bangkok Royal Palace. It's too crowded. There are too many people over here. This is the actual Grand Palace, or the Royal Palace. The one which we saw before was not the palace, but the temples surrounding the palace, including the Emerald Buddha, which they believe to be the holiest places here in Bangkok. Eta jalma datang nanti mana duka tuh orang mah. And now we're leaving the Grand Palace and we're going to the Sleeping Buddha, or Wat Po as the locals call it. And this is the exit gate out of the Royal Palace.
Kailangan mo lang ng far guardian. Yun nga, good luck mo.
Kadi itu duka ke mana? Orang matanya ahok. And now we're at the Wat Po, which is a complex of temples. There are many temples actually, not only one. But the main temple is this one, which is the sleeping Buddha, or called the reclining Buddha, which is another name for sleeping Buddha. And here we are now in the sleeping Buddha statue. It's also called the reclining Buddha. Iya patung meni segede alaihim, iya mah. Kumaha motretna mun kieu mah. Lieur eta mah. And this is another temple inside the Wat Pa Temples complex. Di dia mah kuilna meni segede alaihim. Tiga mun urang mah segede Borobudur. Kali itu mah teu meunang naik urang mah. Geus tutup. Duka teuing urang mah kumaha. Kumaha naik ka ditu? Duka teuing. And now we are in the Chinatown in Bangkok. It's so crowded over here. And these are the Chinese restaurants. As you can see the writings, they're all in Chinese. This means that we are in the Chinatown indeed. Ieu mah pikaliereun. Jalma pating seliwer siga reungit. Motor aya pating seliwer siga reungit.